The moment you enter even a class for just a demo, they see your skin, they will tell you, I don't like black skin. That if somebody tell you that I'm taking you to Vietnam, Vietnam is not a bad country, but make sure that one, you are a teacher.
Okay.
So straight away to the police.
Oh, so you reported her to the police?
Yeah. Be a hard worker. In Vietnam, if you don't know how to ride motorbike, you cannot work here. I know some foreigners who are working for some companies, but the main job as a foreigners that I've seen here is about teaching job.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pekusi Kenya Branty. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Today I'm here to speak to some Ghanaians who are living and teaching back here in Vietnam, and this is where they live. This is not a hotel, if you can see. This is just like an apartment. It's an apartment that are being occupied by people here, and these teachers live here and they work. I'm going to speak to them. I have with me Godwin T, but I'm not Bondi. So guys, what's your name?
All right, my name is Godwin Ochredakun, but actually people call me Nana Ochredakun. Yeah.
All right. So where does Godwin come from Ghana?
Oh, actually, I'm from the northern part, but I'm 50-50. My mother is from the northern and my father is from the southern.
How did you find yourself teaching English in Vietnam if you are half northern and then half southern?
Year 2019, and I started in Montiu, say
2019.
Yeah, 2019. So I came to Vietnam early January 2020.
Oh,
yeah. So I think 2023 January, and I'm here 3 years in Vietnam.
Oh, wow. Why didn't you stay in your country but decided to come and teach in Vietnam? And how has the journey treated you?
All right, actually teaching is my hobby, so I did not find it difficult to come to Vietnam. But teaching in Vietnam is something different from teaching in Ghana, especially,
or back in Africa.
Yeah, it's different. So actually we strive
to benefit from all that we have benefited. Guys, ciao, let's meet again.
All right.
Tam Viet.